Hello folks, this is TJ Bowser. I am at Deal Volkswagen of Butler today to review the 2024 Volkswagen Tiguan S. The one we are in today is the front-wheel drive model, priced at $29,999. It features a 4-cylinder turbocharged engine making 184 horsepower and 221 feet of torque. That is 24 miles per gallon city and 30 miles per gallon highway. We have a very nice interior, leather-wrapped steering wheel. We have automatic 4-way down on all 4 windows, which is awesome to see. We have real buttons on this 2024 model instead of the haptic feedback buttons on previous generations. And I will say, with a 6.5-inch screen on this S model, you still do get iTunes and Android Auto, you know, the Apple CarPlay. It is all still here. It is awesome to see that sort of integration in the entry-level model. We got 2 USB-C charging ports down here. We got heated seats, heated mirrors, very nice interior, very spacious, especially at this price point. It is awesome. Premium materials here on the dash. Doesn't feel cheap at all. The same with the seats. Let's take a look outside. I'll leave the keys inside here, and we'll take a look outside at the 2024 Volkswagen Tiguan. So as we take a walk around here, we see those 17-inch alloy wheels wrapped in Goodyear tires. Volkswagen's awesome styling. Go around the back here. So let's open up this hatch. I'll show you some of the interior features of the Tiguan. So we got a lot of space back here, and underneath here we have even more space. We got the rear tire here, and I believe that has 2 different positions to allow more space. And believe it or not, underneath these floor mats is a 3rd row of seats that does go up. It's not a lot of room, but it's big enough for kids back there. Always nice to see a 3rd row, especially in the crossover segment here. And then of course we got the wheel wells in here for soda or milk. Pretty cool stuff. Very big hatch, and of course these buttons here will actually fold down the 2nd row seats. Buttons more like levers. Very cool on that, and we'll put them up when we see the back seats. Going around to the passenger side here, we will pick these seats up now. Goes up with ease. Very spacious interior for the segment. We'll sit back here. I am 6 foot tall. Lots of leg room in this interior. Can't really complain. Lots and lots of room. Heading back out. Subtle Volkswagen details here, like on the GTI I pointed out. Very cool. Got those headlights on. Look at that front end of the 24 Tiguan. Very beautiful styling. So let's hop in, take her for a little drive, see how it goes. Okay, buckle up. Safety first when driving. Let's take this baby out. Now this is lighter, slightly lighter than the all-wheel drive version, so it's a little bit quicker. And something I noticed on driving the 2024 model is that the gearing is a little bit snappier than previous generations. And I'll show you once we leave here. Maybe get a nice little exhaust clip for you here. Wonderful sound from that 4-cylinder, 2-liter turbocharged engine. Pretty sporty for a crossover, I must say. Very smooth ride, as you'd expect for a Volkswagen. Very quiet in this interior, as you can tell. We do have models in stock at Deal Volkswagen of Butler that have the 4Motion. But I'll tell you what, I am having fun driving this front-wheel drive model. This is really, really smooth. Now, it's nice to see Volkswagen listening to its fan base and improving on things for the 2024 model year, such as the buttons I mentioned earlier and other small things. Super responsive brakes. You can't beat the value you get with the Volkswagens. Now, this does have the Volkswagen's semi-autonomous driving, so it has that lane departure assist. It gives you all the warnings if you're too close to somebody, if somebody's getting too close to you, if somebody's in the lane next to you. All that stuff we have come to expect, know, and love from Volkswagen's IQ system. Take a left here. Hope you guys are enjoying the binaural audio in this episode. Brand new for our setup here. Let's take a loop around and head back to Deal Volkswagen of Butler. They are building a new facility up the road, coming expected sometime in May is the finish date. We will keep you updated on that. So expect big things from Deal Volkswagen of Butler very, very soon. Great engine noise on this. Very great engine noise. Guys want to see more content like this, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow our Facebook page. We want to start doing videos on CDJR, Stellantis products, and Toyota, General Motors as well. Those will be coming up here in the future, and those will also include the Binaural audio setup. This does have the start-stop technology. If you couldn't tell, the engine just stopped as we came to the stoplight here. Very good if you are in the city and you are constantly stopping and going, such as this. There it goes, starts right back up seamlessly, and off we go. Now, I don't know if you've ever listened to the radio in these newer Volkswagen products. The sound systems are absolutely high quality. I highly recommend, and I do know on the higher trim levels, you can get Fender audio systems. But I listened to the radio in this earlier. I won't play the audio now because of copyright issues, but I can say that the quality is there for the audio sound system. Absolutely love the sound of the engine here. I can't get over that. It's so cool. As I mentioned earlier, this car is available for $29,999 at Deal Volkswagen of Butler. That's 258 Pittsburgh Road, Butler, PA. Tremendous value, and I will say that it's a little bit quicker off the line than the 4Motion variant of the same car. It's definitely one of the more fun driving experiences I've had in a crossover. Give her some gas. Passes with ease. Definitely has the get up and go that you need on your morning commute to get past any of those slower moving people. Get in the right lane. Perfect. So you can see we have plenty of vehicles in stock here at Deal Volkswagen of Butler. Let's park this. So as we wrap things up on this drive of the 2024 Volkswagen Tiguan, I want to say thank you for joining me on another drive along video. And be sure to stop in and take a look or test drive this 2024 Volkswagen Tiguan. Thanks, guys. See you in the next one.